Alright guys, in this video we will discuss about one of the most successful investors in India, Bharat Shah, and his portfolio. Now when we say successful, we are not talking about 2, 3, 5 years. We are talking about 20 years. Bharat Shah has consistently beaten the market by a good margin over long time. One more thing you probably know, Bharat Shah has been associated with ASK PMS service since 2008 and he is the executive director of this group. ASK group offers different type of portfolio. The one we are talking about today is the growth portfolio. If you have been following our channel, you probably know that every month we discuss about top PMS portfolio and their stock. Earlier we have discussed about Ambit Coffee Can portfolio, Marcellus Consistent Compounder, Kings of Capital, Little Gems, etc. If you have missed any of this, we have given the link in the description box. Without wasting any time, let us directly dive in. Now, before we start the stock name, let us show you the track record of this portfolio. We do not know any other PMS service in India who has done such a fantastic job so far over the long time. Over last 5 years, if you see, the benchmark of this portfolio has delivered 14.28% of return when this portfolio has clocked 16.8% of return. Since inception, this fund has beaten the benchmark by a wide margin. Benchmark 13.16% when the portfolio has generated 20.74% of return. Alpha more than 7.5. Just mind-blowing, right? Now let us see the recipe behind this staggering success. All the stock they keep, it has three things in common. They look large size of opportunities for company to earn superior return in the long term, high ROCE, and the third one being the margin of safety. With this theme, they have constructed a portfolio of 24 stocks. As you can understand, it is a moderately diversified portfolio. Top 5 stock carries 1/3 of the portfolio weightage. Stock selection follows multi-cap approach where they can pick the stock from large cap, mid cap or small cap. The top 5 sector allocation of this portfolio is 66%. So sector level also this portfolio is well diversified. Now let us discuss the top 5 allocation of this portfolio. First, Bajaj Finserv with 7.8% allocation. As you probably know, Bajaj Finserv is the holding company for Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Insurance. Profit growth of Bajaj Finserv in last 10 years is 16% CAGR and has generated 43% CAGR return. No wonder Bajaj Finserv has contributed heavily in the portfolio alpha generation. The next stock is kind of a surprise for us to know. It is none other than Bajaj Finance. Surprise because they already hold Bajaj Finserv, right? Anyway, Bajaj Finance has increased its earning at 28% CAGR. The share price also increased in this period at 49% CAGR. This is one of the dynamite stock of this portfolio. Bajaj Finance had outpaced any other NBFC in the stock market and found a place in ASK Group's growth portfolio, not once, twice. Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance. By the way, the allocation in Bajaj Finance is 7.3%. Third stock in this portfolio is SRF Limited. The portfolio allocation 7% on this stock. As you probably know, SRF has been one of the leading specialty chemical company in India. Very few companies in India specializes in fluorine chemistry. Most of the product that SRF makes, they are the market leader. For example, it is the sole producer of some key refrigerants in India. This business is generating 18% ROCE in FY 2021. In last 10 years, SRF has generated return at 43% CAGR. You can repeatedly see how the stocks in this portfolio has generated superior return in the long term. Fourth stock is Navin Fluorine. Another surprise, right? You're wondering why? Because just like SRF, Navin Fluorine also operates in fluorine-based chemistry. It is not the stock name that you must pay attention. It is the theme that you must see. As you can understand, if they like any business or any industry, they go for it. As you probably know, fluorine chemistry is little difficult to handle. There are a lot of expertise needed to work with fluorine. Not any company can sprout tomorrow and suddenly start working at fluorine. There are a lot of regulatory norms which very few company can comply. This is why fluorine chemistry is a concentrated business with a higher profit margin. This portfolio took full advantage of that and given 5.8% allocation in Navin Fluorine. So if you see through SRF and Navin Fluorine, the total allocation in fluorine chemistry is near about 13%. And previously you saw just on one business, Bajaj Finance, they have direct and indirect holding, which sums up to 14%. Guys, it is just not the stock. It is the thought process that we are trying to highlight. And the fifth one is Divi's Lab. Divi's Lab needs no introduction. It is focused on API manufacturing. Any molecule that Divi's make, they eventually destroy the competition and become the market leader. Very few business in India you will see are as solid as Divi's. They have above 30% ROCE for last 10 years. This business has clocked its profit at 17% CAGR and the result is outstanding return at 29% CAGR in last 10 years. All these 5 stocks that we have discussed has delivered solid return. That is the reason the portfolio has easily outperformed the benchmark. Hope we have given you some basic idea about the top 5 allocations in ASK Group's growth portfolio. If you are a long-term investor and if you're looking for learning investment process, you will probably like our content. We come with such informative video every Friday 6 p.m. Just one video per week. We believe in quality over the quantity. If you want to join outside of our YouTube channel, you may stay connected with us in our Telegram group. Typically, our Telegram channel members are well-informed investors and they help each other understanding critical situation of the market. If you wish to be a part of it, you're welcome. The link is in the description box. Thank you for checking out this video. We'll catch you up in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.